Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy candy in a lab. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 100 grams of granulated sugar, 25 grams of unflavored gelatin, and 50 milliliters of water. Don't forget your favorite flavorings and food coloring to make your gummies vibrant and delicious. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable candy-making process from start to finish. Next, we move to the mixing and heating phase. Start by blooming your gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes. This helps it dissolve smoothly later. Then, gently heat this mixture with your sugar over low heat. Stir constantly until all the sugar and gelatin are completely dissolved. It's crucial not to let the mixture boil, as this can affect the gelatin's setting properties. Maintain a steady, low temperature for best results. Once your base mixture is ready, it's time to add the fun. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in your chosen flavorings and a few drops of food coloring. Be creative with your combinations. Next, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone molds. If you don't have molds, a lightly oiled pan works too. Let them set at room temperature for several hours, or speed up the process by refrigerating for about 1 hour. Finally, the exciting part, demolding and enjoying your creations. Once fully set, gently pop the gummies out of their molds. If they are a bit sticky, a light dusting of cornstarch can help. For optimal freshness, store your delicious homemade gummy candies in an airtight container at room temperature. They should stay fresh and chewy for up to 2 weeks, ready for you to enjoy or share with friends.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.